4 Tips for Taking Care of Marble Countertops. Dear friends, marble can be a stunning addition to any room in the home. This material is classic, works well in kitchens and bathrooms, and is known for its beauty. However, marble can also be somewhat fragile compared to other materials as it is susceptible to scratches, etching, and staining, particularly when marble is used for countertops. The good news is that with a little care, marble countertops can continue to look amazing no matter how much they are used. Here are 4 tips for taking care of marble countertops. Avoid acidic substances. Acid is the enemy of marble surfaces. Acidic substances can etch into the surface and leave the marble looking dull and lackluster. This is something to keep in mind when choosing cleaners for the countertop. Any type of acidic or abrasive cleaner like bleach and vinegar should be avoided, and you should never use harsh scrubbing pads. Acidic foods, such as tomatoes, citrus and other types of fruits should also have limited contact with the countertop surface. Clean with gentle soap. Marble is easy to clean and maintain. Gentle soap and warm water are enough to get the job done. Cleaning a marble countertop is as simple as washing it down with a solution of water and soap, wipe with a wet, hot dish towel, and then drying the countertop with an absorbent towel. Cleaning with gentle soap on a regular basis is enough to keep marble countertops looking great after everyday use. If you make a mess, immediately spot clean any spills in order to prevent staining. Deal with stains immediately. Unfortunately, even with careful attention and regular cleaning, it's still possible that your marble countertop will stain. Address these stains immediately. Stains from oils, such as cooking oil, can be removed with a gentle cleanser or a few drops of ammonia. Organic stains, from food or liquids such as coffee and tea, can be removed with a small amount of hydrogen peroxide or ammonia. While mild detergents, peroxide, and ammonia work well on most stains, some may need to be removed physically. Paint stains often need to be carefully removed with a razor. Water stains and watermarks can be buffed out with steel wool. Seal the countertops. While there are plenty of ways to clean marble countertops and keep them looking great, an added layer of protection is often needed. A sealant can be a key part of taking care of marble countertops. Sealers can reduce staining and etching on marble countertops as sealers act as a barrier between the marble and other substances. The layers give you a little more time to clean up spills before they stain. Taking care of marble countertops is easier than you may think. They will look great as long as you avoid acidic cleaners, liquids, and food. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.